Alright, I asked Facebook a simple question. What's the first thing you check when a motor is humming but not turning? And almost 200 comments later, I learned that troubleshooting is apparently more of an art than a science. Response 1 comes from Brandon Carrington. He said, just blame the winder like everyone else. Honestly, this might be the fastest troubleshooting method I've ever seen. Motor humming? Winder's fault. Motor tripped? Winder's fault. Conveyor fell through the floor? Somehow still the winder's fault. No meter required, just point fingers and go home. Response 2 comes in from James. He says, the flux capacitor. Finally, somebody who actually knows motors. Forget checking voltage, forget checking the phases, forget seeing if the shaft is locked up. Pop open the motor, make sure the flux capacitor is getting its full 1.2 gigawatts. If not, you're not fixing that motor. You're going back to 1985. Response 3 comes from Aaron Arthur. He said, check to see if it's lunchtime or not. Then who is on call? This guy has clearly been in maintenance for a while because before we start troubleshooting anything, we need the important information. Is it lunchtime? Is my shift almost over? Most importantly, can it be second shift's problem? Because if that motor started humming at 2:57 and you leave at 3, you suddenly don't hear it anymore. So apparently when a motor is humming but not turning, you have 3 options. Blame the winder, check the flux capacitor, or see who comes in the shift next. What would you check first? Drop it in the comments and I'll probably make another video of the best answers.